I'm Smoothie Boy, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the best smoothie ever.
Hi, I'm Smoothie Girl, and I'm going to teach you our favorite recipe for making smoothies. Let's start with the ingredients. The first ingredient you need is frozen strawberries. The second ingredient you need is frozen mango. And then you need 2 bananas and a couple of raspberries. You also need apple juice.
Let's start it.
Let's start making our smoothie. First step is to open your strawberries and peel 1 banana. You do not need to cut up your banana, just peel it and put it in. And you can also double or you can half this recipe. So once you have your 2 bananas in, you are going to go over to your frozen strawberries and then just start hand filling them in. You're gonna need around 4 handfuls, 4 or 5 handfuls. And that should be good. And next you're going to take your frozen mango and you're going to pour a little bit of frozen mango in. That should be good. Next, you are going to take your raspberries and get about a handful and put those in. Then, with your apple juice, you are going to pour your apple juice in. That should be good.
Maybe like a quarter of the pitcher.
About a quarter of where it's full, to where it's full. And then you snap your lid on, close it down, and you're going to press pause. Or you can press smooth.
Blender's really good because once you put the fruits in, you don't even have to touch it until it's done.
And you can even leave the greens on the strawberries. I know a lot of people think that might be disgusting, but it actually makes it have a lot more fiber and yumminess. And next, you take off your lid by pressing release, and you unlock it and pour your smoothie into the cups. And then you will get your straws from wherever you keep your straw. Stick it in. And that's it.